Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel and तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें दीस दिवं आनी येवकार दिता आमच्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक YouTube cooking channel. So today I am come up with crab curry again. Crab is my favorite and this is all homemade food, how we cook daily. Only I am making video for my few friends who don't know cooking, means like the Goan cuisine or something. For them it is. So please don't get offended on the comments when we comment, when we reply to your comments. It is not to offend you, but it is a reply to what you ask. So हांव सगळ्यांक सांगता की हे जे हांव रांदत दाखयता आमचे गोंयचे रेसिपी ते गोंयकारांक लागून न्हू, कित्याक गोंयकारां सगळीं जाणां आपआपणाचें कशें कितें रांदूंक जाय पळय तें. हे जे हांव दाखयता ते म्हाजे थोडी फ्रेंड आहा आनी थोडो लोक आसा इन इंडियाक, पुणे जावं या बॉम्बे जावं, पुणे जावं या मँगलोर जावं या बँगलोर जावं, जेंकां गोंयकाराचें जेवण जाय शिकपाक, हे तेंकां लागून आनी जें हांव म्हाज्या घरामाय कडेन शिकलां पळय तें हांव दाखयतां. So what I'm telling them that this food what I'm showing is like homemade food and it is for all those people who are based in UK or Bangalore or Pune or any part of India and they want to learn the Goan cuisine. And this Goan cuisine or this Goan recipes which I am showing is from my grandmother where she showed me. So and every Goan house there will be grandmothers and mothers who will be teaching their recipes in their ways, and it will be not the same content or same spices or same thing whatever we use. Okay, so let's start with our crab curry now. So crab curry, basically I need 1 kg of crab. So crabs these are 1 kg in total. Okay, so I will be frying these crabs. Okay, and I will be making curry of this and this. So you need 1 kg of crab. You can take half kg or whatever. So in 1 kg over here I got around like this. It was like around 3 big crabs. That was 1 kg. Then other things what I need is 3 bay leaves, 4 peppercorns, 2 cloves, 1 black cardamom, 4 green cardamom, 2 small of this cinnamon, and this is mace. So what we need is this much to roast with little oil. Then I will be adding, this is for this 2 chilies will go in our curry. I will show you step by step. And I am going to use this solla, amyachi solla this is. So mangoes which are dried and made into this. So that I'll be using. Then salt to taste. Some spices I will be putting to fry my crab. So this I'm going to fry, this I'm going to make curry. And we need coconut juice. So I've taken 1 full coconut and out of that thick juice of that. So 1 coconut, big coconut, and take out the juice out of it. And this is the thinner version little bit. Okay, so and for the curry we need turmeric. So please watch out how I do. So first thing, before I could start my curry, I will start to marinate this with ginger garlic paste and few spices. So I'm taking 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Teaspoon. Many people comment on my teaspoons, but I say all the time every house they have got different teaspoon sizes, so accordingly you all please use yours. The manufacturers are all different. So now I will be adding my turmeric powder to this, chili powder. So I've taken like 3/4 of this, 3/4 of this, and 1 of this. So these are 3 masalas. Then I will add salt to taste. Lime juice for this. Squeeze this lime juice. So how we do for our fish, it is same way I am doing for my crabs. Toss this nicely so it gets nicely applied to this. It's full of meat, these crabs are. And we'll keep this aside. Now I will put only salt for our this, which is going to go in the curry. So very like little bit of salt. And now we'll start the curry, and it is a quick curry. So let's start. So we'll take around very less. So I'm taking only 1 teaspoon of this, just 1. I don't want to add more for this. And we'll add this all masala. So bay leaves and all this goes here, and let it fry. Now the masala is nicely fried. Now I will add this to this and fry for a while. Now you can put all crab, so like full, like whole pieces of this. But I am trying to make this crab curry like this. Medium flame. Now at this point I will add the thin version of juice. Give a mix and let this get cooked for 5 minutes in this. Now we will add our thick coconut juice in this. We'll add water. So we'll give a mix to this, and now we will add our turmeric powder to this. That's it. So we have to add our turmeric powder. So I am adding around half teaspoon of this. And we'll give a mix. Very simple curry and not spicy also. And we will add this water which is there also. Now we'll add our salt to taste to this. And let's also add our chili. So I am not going to do anything with this. So I'm just leaving this whole chilies. You can chop it if you want the spiciness more, but I'm doing this way. And I'm now adding my this also, mango, dry mango into this. Now we'll cook this for 10 minutes and our curry is ready to serve. Till then we will fry our crabs. Check your salt and let this now get cooked for 10 minutes. Because it is crabs, are like always seafood gets cooked fast. Check the salt. Okay, and we'll cover this and I will transfer it into the other side. Until then we'll fry our crabs. Very simple, right? And very easy, that curry. My grandmother used to do a quick, most of the quick cooking. So माझी घरामाय फास्ट केन्ना कितें करूंक जाय आसलें, बट यू नीड कोकोनट ज्यूस, नाल्लाचो ज्यूस आमकां जावो, नाल्लाचो रोस आमकां जावो, आनी ती इजी कोडी आमच्यान करूं येता, वांटूंक बिटूंक गरज ना. रोस काड नाल्लाचो आनी तुमची कोडी तयार आसतली. So one side this is getting this, okay, curry over there for 5 minutes, and here we'll fry up. So let's fry this. Oil for frying. And let's fry this crabs. So I will fry this on high flame now for 5 minutes, and then it's like done. And there the curry is becoming over there, that is also is almost done. So now we'll turn this. So another 5 minutes the other side, and our crabs are ready. So now I will put off my gas. The curry is ready to serve, okay, and I will finish my this also. That is also done. This is also done. So quickly, very nicely. Yeah, video takes long to show everything. Like if I cook this dish without making a video, then it's like in 5 minutes. But the day I'm making a video to show you all, it takes a lot of efforts and it takes a lot of time to set everything. And this is not like a hotel style, like we have all the equipments or whatever is in the house. This is homemade, home cooked food. ओके, सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरें करूं. आनी जी म्हाजी गोंयकारां म्हाज्या चॅनलाचेर कितें कितें म्हणटा की इगो आसा आनी कितें आसा, तांकां हांव सांगता आमकां इगो ना, नाजाल्यार आमी तुमचे कमेंट डिलीट करपाची. बट हें गोंयकाराचें जेवण न्हू, हें न्हू. पूण म्हाजे घरामाय जी गोंयकार आनी पक्की गोंयकार जी गोंयांत जल्मलेली ती म्हाका शिकयलां. आनी हांव हें सगल्यांक दाखयता. आनी स्पेशली हें चॅनल म्हाजे चेडवां की ताकी हें फ्युचराक ते इसोरपाक न्हू म्हणून, कित्याक आयज काल भुरग्यांक टायमूच आसना शिकपाक. सो एक टायम तें पळोवंक शकता ह्यो यूट्यूब चॅनल. सो जेन्ना तुमी कमेंट मारतात की मसालो आमी उजार करिना वो वांटलोलोच मसालो आमी उजार करता, तर मिक्सर कित्याक आयज काल उजार करता गोंयकारां रेचाटो मसालो करपाक. आनी शॅम्पू आनी हें सगळें आमी कित्याक उजार करता, तर शॅम्पू आनी साबू रिटे उजार करूंक जाय आसलें न्हू. आमची घरा माय बा तेन्ना रिटे उजार करताले. आमचे कडेन झाड आसलें ते आख्खे आमच्या फुडल्यान. सो एज अ टायम हॅज चेंज एंड वी वॉन्ट ऑल क्वीक कुकींग. आमकां बेगीन रांदूंक जाय, फटाफट रांदूंक जाय जाल्यार आमी पावडरी उजार करतली मासाक वो कित्याकी, रायट. एनीवेज तुमकां जें म्हणूंक जाय तें म्हणात. रांदपाचें आमी सोडची ना. आमी गोंयकारां आमचें गोंयचें जेवण आमी फुडें धाडटलीं. आनी देव बरें करूं तुमकां सगल्यांक. काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं मागता. चॅनल पळयतात, कमेंट करतात, सगल्यांक देव बरें करूं. Thank you so much for watching this cooking video and cooking channel, and thank you for all your support. Love you all. Hope you all will enjoy this curry. And if you all don't like my talking, please go forward that video till you can see. Thank you so much. God bless you. Just wanted to show you the close up, and it's fried nicely. All to go on our plate for lunch. Thank you.